Hi guys, we're taking a look at lesson 27 on page 297 in your workbook. We're solving percent problems. I think you're going to have fun with this. So this first example, the classwork says solve the following three problems, and then on the lines below we're going to write percent whole or part after we solve the problem. So the first one, it says, let me get my pen ready, and it says 60% of 300. So I'm going to put my 60 over 100. And then it says of 300, which equals, I'm not sure, but 300 is the total. So I'm trying to figure out this number right here. Well, this was a times 3 to get the 300, so I'm going to times that, multiply that by 3, and I get 180. 180. And so that, and that's the numerator, that is a part of 180 is part of the 300 total, the whole. Here I have 60% again, so I'm going to go 60 over 100 of, I don't know, equals 300. So we know that the 300 is equal to, but we don't know what the big total, the grand number is here. But if I go, I'm looking at my 60 times 5 is 300. So if I multiply that times 5, I get 500. And so that is the whole thing. Okay. And then if I got 60 out of 300, and we want to know what that's equal to as far as percent, well, this I divided by 3. So this I'm going to divide by 3, and I get 20. So this is 20%, and that's percent. Then this question down here, it says, how did your solving method differ from with each problem? Well, this one we were solving for the numerator, the top number. This one we were solving for the denominator, the bottom number. And in this case, we were solving, we had the percent, the denominator is 100, and we were trying to figure out the numerator of that percent. So I didn't write anything for that, but we just kind of talked through it. Then let's look at this next problem, this next exercise. And this is a kind of like a two-part, because it's saying that I have to use some models to solve these problems. But Priya is going to go shopping for her back-to-school outfits. And we have to calculate the missing numbers. She sees all these sales and the discounted amounts, and then we have to find out the total amount she spent on the outfit. So we'll need to do that calculating too. So the shirt says, I'll do my work down here. The shirt says it's 25% off. So I'm going to go 25 over 100. And that equals, when I reduce 25 cents out of $1, that is 1/4 of the dollar. And then that equals, it says the original price is 44. So 4 times 11 is 44. So I'm going to multiply that times 11. And I get my discount for that is 11. So if I had an original price of 44 and I saved $11 off of it, then that's going to be, I'm going to write it right up here. It's going to be, the shirt is $33. Okay, so the pants are a 30% discount. So I'm going to write 30% out of 30 out of 100. And that equals, it says 15 is the discounted price. Well, that was divided by 2. I'm going to divide that by 2, and I get 50. So 50 is the original price. So what's 50? Take away 15. It is $5.35. So I'm going to write that there. That's $35 for the pants. Okay, now we have shoes are 15%, so 15 over 100. And that, if I reduce that, divide by 5, and I get 3. And then that's going to be 20, 3 over 20. And so then if I The amount of the discount is 9, but I don't know the real price. So this is times 3, this is a times 3, so then I get 60. So $60 is the original price of the shoes, but I am saving $9, or she's saving 9. So 60 take away 9 is going to give me $51. So that's for shoes. This is kind of adding up. Okay, then the necklace, it says 10%. So I have one, actually 10% is 10 over 100. But then I can reduce that to 1/10. And then they're telling me if the original price is 20, so I'm going to times by 2 times by 2, and I get 2, so I'm saving $2. So that necklace, I'm not saving very much, but it's going to cost $18 total. Then we got this sweater that's a 20% discount, so 20 over 100. I've got that. I can reduce that, so divide by 20, I get 1/5. Okay. And then it says the amount of the discount, I'm going to save $7, but I don't know the original. So that's a times 7, that's a times 7, that's 35. So I'm putting 35 up here. So what is 35 minus 7? 3, 2. It looks like we're looking at 28. Now all I need to do, I'll go in here and get this other color. I'm going to add all those up to find what is the total cost of her outfit. So I get 33, and I get 35, and I've got 51, 18, and 28. I'm taking all those numbers above, and I'm going to add. I don't have very much room. So there's an 8, and there's a 6. There's 2, 16, 17, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I've got to take the 68 and the 97 and add 68, 97. And there's 15. There's 15, 16, $165 total for that outfit. So 165. I wrote it in the wrong place. But anyway, is what her total outfit costs. Wow. Okay, we will stop there, and then you should be ready to, do your problem set, but then also do your exit ticket. Fantastic.